Here's we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we're down 84 basis points. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. As for the 1 hour chart, what we have here is we are nearing oversold levels on the RSI. We see slight signs of it converging on the MACD. If we expand that to the 4 hour chart, we did breach right below the 200 moving average. That was acting as our temporary support, and that now act as our resistance if we do manage to reverse higher, and that is around a price of $59.59. As for the MACD, we just now approach to negative MACD territory, and we are also nearing oversold levels on the RSI. If we expand out a bit further onto the daily chart, we are still approaching to negative MACD territory, and for the 50 moving average that was acting as our temporary support, we did breach right below that level. So again, that now act as our resistance to the upside. So if we do manage to reverse higher, that will be our resistance, and that is around the price of $59.17. So for the trade idea of the week, what we have here is my positions as going to be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my entry is going to be at $56.38, and that is that level there. And that coincides with past support levels that date back to August 11th as well as August 26th and September 8th. And my sell target will be $58.16, and my stop loss will be $55.68. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be $58.52, which is this range right there. My sell target will be $57.09, and my stop loss will be $58.88. So my position will be basically whichever entry hits the price first. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 67% chance for gold miners to climb between 2% to 4%. And to the downside, we have a 33% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.